Mackerel was a tiny little fish who lived in the big blue ocean. He had scales that shimmered like silver in the sunlight. One day, Mackerel decided he wanted to see the world above the waves. So, he swam and swam, following the currents and the tides. He passed schools of colorful fish and giant sea turtles. But he didn't stop, as he was on a mission. After days of swimming, Mackerel found himself nearing the surface. He took a deep breath and prepared for the unknown. With a quick flip, he broke the surface and gasped at the sight before him. The world above the water was so different. There were tall, green trees, and animals he had never seen before. Mackerel was amazed and a little scared, but he was also curious. He swam closer to the shore, carefully avoiding the crashing waves. He found a soft, warm spot on the beach and rested. He looked around, taking in the sights and sounds of his new environment. Soon, he saw a friendly bird with a round belly and a long beak. It waddled towards him, pecking at the sand. Mackerel was cautious, but the bird didn't seem to notice him. The bird waddled closer and closer. Suddenly, it stopped just inches away from Mackerel. The bird opened its mouth wide and let out a friendly quack. Mackerel was surprised, but he didn't feel scared anymore. He realized that even though the world above the water was different, there were still friendly creatures to be found. From that day on, Mackerel the little fish learned to appreciate the world both above and below the waves. He made a new friend, and he learned that being curious can lead to wonderful adventures. And every night, as he swam back to his home in the ocean, he thought about the new world he had discovered and the friend he had made. The end.